Gonna sit in the boppy?
Sorry guys, I've been drinking.
Oh, yours is a bird boy. You're a boy after my own heart. Bird boy. I know. Come on. I know. What'd the bird say then?
Caw!
Is your real family a bird family? Is it a family of crows? They dropped you off on our patio one morning. They dropped you off on our patio one morning and we said, there's Graydon, bird boy. I got him, David. Jeez Louise.
God.
My reflexes are
Pretty good.
Are good.
Yeah, okay.
You gotta,
Oh, jeez.
did you just burp?
He just burped. End of film.